Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're good. Thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this corkscrew using yarn. And I'm going to show you guys step by step from the beginning to end. If it's the first time you're watching my video, thank you so much. You are welcome. My name is Glory Mtui. Before you leave, feel free to hit the subscribe button below and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss any new video, because I normally post every week. I use this Super Get yarn color 27, and I started by comb my hair. Then I go ahead and section my hair. So in back section I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Each section I use 9 strands. And after I fold the yarn, it's 31 inches. It means without fold is 62 inches long. Down yarn here is 15 inches, while the rest of the yarn I will use wrapping. So I take a small piece of yarn and then I wrap here to secure this hair well. No specific amounts of how many times you should wrap, just wrap till you feel like the yarn hold your hair well. Here I'm going to twist only one side. So after I finish wrap, I go ahead and roll other section, and then I start to make twist. Roll and wrapping, roll and wrapping. And every time when I wrap, I make sure I wrap very closely to the previous wrap so that the twist will come out nicely. Inside section I don't need twist, so here what I do is I only roll and twist outside yarn only, and outside yarn is the most longer. So here I'll continue roll and wrap till end of this yarn. And after I feel the length I want is enough, then I go ahead and take one piece. I wrap a couple times to make sure the yarn really secured, and then I'll tie one time. You may tie 2 times, 3 times. Just tie the way you feel like you tie really well and your hair will not unravel. Front side I use only 6 strands because front I cut more small section and I don't want this hair be really heavy. Front length is 34 inches after fold. So here I'll be using 17 inches. Back I use 15 inches, so down here is 17 inches. And the rest of the yarn I'll be using to wrap on this short yarn. So first of all I take this small piece, then I wrap here till I make sure like my hair really secure. Don't wrap too tight because you break your hair. You see, still have space between the yarn and my natural hair. And then I start to roll other side and wrap, roll and wrap to make twists. Don't forget, when you are wrapping, you must wrap very closely. Don't keep space between one round of roll and another, because the hair will show out and then your hair will bend. So you have to put really closely to previous wrap.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here.
If you're wondering like how long you can keep this hairstyle, it's from 4 weeks up to 8 weeks. But don't forget, when you wear protective style, you have to moisturize your hair to avoid itching and stuff like that. And at the same time, this is African protective style. You grow your hair.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of.
Up to this point, I only use 2 packets of yarn. Actually, it's less than 2, but let's count by 2 because very few amounts remain. So after I finish braiding, I go ahead and trim off all the excess yarn. You may decide to bun the ends if you want, but that is completely option. For myself, I don't like bun the ends because after I bun the yarn, I don't like the smell. And guys, this is how the hair looks like after I trim. Because I'm going to put this style for several days, I make sure I apply some oil on my scalp to avoid itching and stuff like that. But you may apply any kind of oil. And here I'm going to show you how to make this bun. So first, you're supposed to have 2 hair bands. And then I put my hair together. You may decide either a little back or mid of your head, depending on how comfortable you are. Then put the first hairband. Make sure all hair there good. You may pull a little. After you feel like you arrange your hair well, then go ahead and take small section, then I roll. So what I'm doing here is I keep adding hair, and at the same time I keep rolling and moving. When I add, I move my hand and I continue roll, and I'll repeat exactly the same thing till I finish all the yarn. Don't worry if you have some section you cannot hold them together. I'm going to show you like how to hold all the yarn or how to put all the yarns together. So after the first time, I go ahead and I add another hairband on top, and then here I'm going to push in all short and long yarn. I make sure all they're in, whether they're short or they're long. And guys, at the same time I keep pushing in. And this is how the hair looks like, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell. Also, don't forget to share with your loved one. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.